Hi everyone, this is a quick walkthrough on how to import the Automotive Club announcement I shared with you in Canvas and how to post one announcement to multiple courses at one time. So first thing, log into Canvas. In your upper left corner, go to your icon, your profile account picture, click on that and go down to shared content. That's going to open up another page. Don't worry, it says discussion topic. That's just how Canvas sees announcements. Let's go to actions and we're going to hit import. Select the course you'd like to import it to. I'm going to send mine to a little test course right here. Hit import. Once it's in that course, we'll easily be able to share it with other courses. I'll show you right now how to do that. So let's go to courses. We'll find our test course and open it up. Wait for the announcement to load, and there it is. That's all you got to do. Now to share this to other courses you have, click on it and you're going to go to the edit icon, the little three dots on the right. Copy to, and then you put in any other course you want and it'll automatically copy to that course. So thank you very much, and this will really help us get the word out to the students about the new Automotive Club, and thanks for spreading the word.